Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot for round 2, but today's trip, we have a specific purpose in mind. So in today's video, we are going to be shopping, just starting out with a brand new CVS card. And if you're new here and you're wondering why are we starting with a brand new CVS card, well, a lot of our CVS cards have been affected by a technical system issue that causes different cards to get thrown into this loop of not receiving CRTs. CRTs are CVS coupons, and those CVS coupons are really nice to have when you shop at CVS each week. They're not required, but they're definitely nice to have in order to make your deals at CVS really good. So we like to get the CVS coupon. So what I'm doing is I have started a brand new CVS card, actually 2 new CVS cards, with the hopes of getting some more CVS coupons to those brand new cards, since those cards will not be in that loop. So first things first, let's talk about how you get a brand new CVS card. So there's a couple different ways that you can sign up for a new CVS account. The first way is that you can go online, you can register on CVS.com and then create an Extra Care account. They will issue you an electronic Extra Care number, and you can get a printout of your Extra Care card, and then they will mail you the physical card in the mail. You really don't need a physical Extra Care card. I rarely use mine. You can use the barcode just by scanning on the app, or you can enter in your associated phone number at the register, and both of those ways will also electronically access your Extra Care account. Now, I decided to do one each way, so I created 2 new Extra Care accounts this week. One I did online, and then the other one I did in store, because in store a lot of times they don't take you through that complete process. They usually only ask you for your name, your phone number, and your email to keep it quick while you're in store. So I prefer to do that and just go on ahead and get a couple of those Extra Care cards physically so that I can go on ahead and get the account started quickly. And when you sign up for a new Extra Care account, it's very important that you use unique information that is not associated with another Extra Care account, or those 2 accounts will be linked together. So you need to use a unique email address and a unique phone number. The phone number does not have to be a mobile number. It can be any phone number that you have access to. So definitely keep that in mind. If you need to get creative on an additional phone number, it doesn't have to be a mobile number. But if it's not a mobile number, then you won't be able to get those text coupons that they sometimes send out. So keep that in mind as well. Now, usually when I sign up for a new Extra Care account, I sign up for the Care Pass also, but I'm not going to do that this time. I am not going to use the Care Pass. I am just going to use the $3 and extra bucks that they give you when you create a new account and link your email address. Now, the reason I'm not going to do the Care Pass this time, even though the Care Pass is a great program, is one, I don't want to link any more credit cards to different CVS accounts. I believe that that's one of the ways they kind of track and link your accounts. And then number 2, I noticed that this go round, when my cards died, the only card that did not die was the one that did not have the Care Pass. I don't know if that's coincidental, but I definitely took note of that. So I've decided to just go ahead and scrap the Care Pass, and I'm going to make something work just using that $3 and extra bucks that they give you for free. So now that we've talked about that, let's talk about what we're doing today. So in today's video, my purpose is not to buy a whole bunch of stuff. This is not going to be some huge haul. My purpose is to truly just get these cards started. So when you start a brand new CVS account, you have to start using the card in order to get CVS coupons to it. A lot of times I will hear people say, well, I started a new CVS account, but I haven't been getting any CRTs to it. And then my first question is always, are you using it? You have to start making some purchases on your account in order to get coupons. So that is our sole purpose today, is to not spend a whole lot of money out of pocket and to also use these cards so that in a couple weeks, more CVS coupons will start to come to them. So the first deal I'm going to do is on the Elf Vibe. So we did this deal on Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and do it again because I don't see it coming back next week. It could possibly come back next week unadvertised, but I don't see it in the ad preview so far. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these for free. So we have these for 2 for $8. We have a 3 off of 2 printable coupon that I'll have a link for you to print. And we also have a 3 off of 2 digital. Those should double dip. And we also have a 2 off of 2 CVS coupon. So with all of those coupon savings, we should be able to grab 2 bottles of shampoo completely free. And if you're also not familiar with the term double dip and what that means, that is a technical glitch where this paper coupon is going to stack with the digital coupon and both will come off. That's not supposed to happen, but it does happen with the way that CVS's system works when you have coupons that are off of multiple amounts. So like 3 off of 2 or 5 off of 3, those coupons will often come off because CVS's system is designed to attach one coupon to one product. And in order for that to happen, if you're shopping at self-checkout, you have to scan your paper coupons before you enter in your phone number. Or if you're checking out with a traditional cashier, they have to scan those paper coupons before they apply your digital coupons. Now we're going to do some Fetch Rewards deal. I'm going to do this Poise One deal again that we talked about on Sunday. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these. I'm going to have to grab the $7.99 ones this week. That's going to total me up to $15.98. Once again, we should have a double dip with this 5 off of 2 and the 5 off of 2 digital. That'll leave me to pay $5.98 and then get back $4 from Fetch Rewards this time. So when I did this deal the first time, I had a 5,000 point offer. When it reset, it came back as a 4,000 point offer, but I still think it's a really good deal. So I'll essentially end up paying $1.98 for 2 of these, or making them like 99 cents each. Another Fetch deal that we are going to do that should be a very, very nice money maker for us is on the Kotex. So we did this deal on Sunday. It's 2 for $8. And then we have a $4 off of 2 digital. And we also have a $4 off of 2 paper coupon that will come off together, making both of those free. But then we're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. And I also have 2 Fetch offers that have been added for 1,250 points a piece on pads and liners. So that'll be another $2.50 in cash back. So that'll make 2 of these Kotex products not only free, but a $4.50 moneymaker. Next deal up for me is going to be a moneymaker on the Revlon Cosmetics. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do this deal depending on what coupons you have. On this particular card, the only CRT I have is the one that is printing for everyone at the red box. So I'm going to be putting that to use by grabbing one of these Revlon Kiss Balms. So we do have a $3 digital that is applying to this product, but we don't have any manufacturer coupons that apply because our newspaper coupon excludes it. Then I'm also going to grab one of these nail polishes. These are $5.99 as well. I'm going to be using the $1 coupon that we have in today's inserts on this. Now keep in mind, if my store had like some Revlon beauty tools in stock, I would pick up those instead. You can grab like a nail file or an eye beauty tool and you can work out a deal with those as well. So these 2 products are going to total me up to $11.98. For the Kiss Balm, we're going to use that $3 digital. For the nail polish, we're going to use this $1 paper coupon, and then we have our $4 CRT. That's going to leave me to pay $3.98, and then I'm going to get back $5 in extra bucks, making both of these products free plus a $1 moneymaker. Another deal that you may want to consider this week is on the Colgate mouth rinse. So this is a super easy freebie. So you can grab 2 of these for $4.49 a piece, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. We do have $2 manufacturer coupons in the Smart Source that just came out on Sunday. So you can use 2 of those coupons. That would leave you to pay $4.98 at the register, but then you're going to get back a $3 extra buck and you can submit back for $2 on the Ebates app. So you'd pay $5 out of pocket, but then get $5 back, making 2 of those absolutely free. We do have a deal coming up next week on the Colgate mouth rinse as well, so I'm gonna pass on doing it again this week. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my complete haul. Yes, this is it. This is all that I'm grabbing. I want to keep it really low out of pocket, and I just want to get these cards started, so I'm going to stay on purpose. So after all of my coupons for these cards, we're only going to be using 4 paper coupons. We got our $4 CRT that everyone gets for the Revlon, and then we have that 2 off of 2 that everyone gets for the Elvive. That's going to bring us down to $9.96. Now I'm going to be using the $3 extra buck that CVS will give you just for linking your email address to your brand new account. So this is going to be $3 and free money, and then I'm going to pay the $6.96 out of pocket. So I'll have about a $7 out of pocket today, and I am going to use a Fetch Rewards gift card in order to pay that. Now the reason I'm going to use a Fetch Rewards gift card to pay that is because I should get the money right back from Fetch Rewards for the Poise and for the Kotex. So we're going to roll our Fetch money essentially to get this account started for free. So let's go up and check out with this transaction. I'm actually going to repeat this transaction twice on both cards, but let's check out and see how this deal works. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt for this super easy transaction. So there is everything that we got. The only issue that I had is that my $1 coupon for the Revlon nail enamel did beep. Not sure why it did not beep on Sunday. Might be the variety that I picked up this week, not sure. But that is everything that we got. So all of our paper coupons, with the exception of that $1 Revlon, did scan successfully. They did do a price adjustment on the Revlon, so they reduced it down to $4.99 since that coupon wouldn't apply. All of our coupons did double dip. The Poise double dipped, the Kotex double dipped, and then the Elvive did double dip. There is our $3 digital for the Revlon lip, and then we had our 2 CRTs. I used that $3 that we got for free, and then that brought us down to $6.96. And then I did get back the $7, so I got back $2 for the Kotex, and then I also got back $5 for the Revlon. So that made that transaction completely free already. But then it turned into a $6.60 moneymaker because we submitted over to Fetch Rewards, and I did get back a total of $6.60 from Fetch Rewards. So that made this transaction, this little bitty haul, a $6.60 moneymaker. And what I loved about this transaction is we had to pay that $6.96 out of pocket that we used on a Fetch gift card, but then we got the money right back from Fetch. So it's still a moneymaker, and you still don't have a big cost. And we got this card started, which was the purpose of today. So we will continue to use this new card over the next couple weeks until it starts to really get those CVS coupons. But in the meantime, continue to check your email for whatever you signed up with that new account with, because CVS is going to start to send out CVS coupons via email to those brand new accounts as well. So definitely make sure that you're staying on top of checking those at least every other day, and be on the lookout for additional coupons that we will get, that we will start to shop with from week to week. So I hope this video was helpful for you, quick and easy, and we are out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching once again. And as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon.